Let's go and have a look at the Range Rover Sport Hybrid that we've just completed. Stu?
Hello.
So, behind me is the Range Rover Sport that we've finished it previously. It's gone home. It's come back because I had to go and have a CarPlay update from Range Rover. They really dropped the ball with these, to be fair, but they can update them, and this one's just been updated, so it's come back to have some finishing touches. It is a triple Thesis amplifier, so it's got 3 Thesis Quattros, focal Utopia M's, the new ones, all round, 3-way front, 2-way rear, Utopia subwoofers, OEM integration to the Meridian system, which is a tricky ask, but we smashed that one, and a high resolution DAC that we've put in there. So he can use his CarPlay, his OEM system, everything sounds fine. And then if he really wants to switch it up, like we do with a lot of our sort of higher end cars, if he wants to switch it up and he's out on his own and he's not really interested in people phoning him, he can just switch over to that DAC, put a playlist on, press play, and just off you go. It's the dream, isn't it, really? So, yeah, let's have a little look around it. I'm just going to bring the door down because although it's lovely outside, it causes chaos with the camera. 2 seconds. So boot first. Oh no. Be right back. Amprac cover. You can probably hear that quiet hum in the background, and that'll be these 4 fans in the back there. Stuart's just been fitting. They're triggered by the amplifiers turning on and the car turning off. So the car's just turned off actually, and that they have just turned off with the car. So behind this grille here, which looks ropey on camera for some reason, but to the eye it's perfectly fine. So it must just be the way it bounces the light around from the grille. Behind there, you can't see them, you need a very specific light, but there are 2 focal Utopia M subwoofers in there. Under here, if I can just pop that up, that's your 3 Thesis amplifiers in there. Plenty of weight, plenty of current draw, but worthwhile for that sound. Underneath all of this is the lithium battery bank for the car. And then you can see just in there a beryllium tweeter for the rear, Utopia M mid bass in the door. That's it for the back. The front, we've got the tweeter on what we call the sail panel there, and the Utopia mid-range, you can see that, right, you can see that really well there, and the mid-bass, which we probably won't be able to sneak a peek at because there's a cloth behind there as well, and everything else is OEM. Nothing should really change in here. And we've got our DRC mount, which is next to the steering wheel there. Now we did have this up on the screen, which is where we put a lot of our DRCs, but the angle of this screen meant it was just too, you just really couldn't see it. So we've changed that for him this time around. And then we've got our DAC plug there that feeds through to our DAC in the glove box, which gives him a direct input to his DSP. And that is this system wrapped up. It's a great system, this. Big old car, so there's loads of space in here. The bass is lovely. Path lengths are all really good, which is nice to get, you know, in a larger car. So yeah, sounds wicked. We'll put something on now, get a copyright strike, and then we'll see you next time. I'm Carl. This is Studio in Car.
He got do eyeball, he went holy raw, he got head down to his knee. Got to be out over, he just do what he please. He wear no shoe shine, he got dog jump football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he say, I know you and you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me. He got protection, he got wars, but he got on the side. He won spine a cracker, he got fit down below his knee. Hold you in his arms, you can feel his disease. Come together, right?